Now, you must also learn how to measure your traffic. How to measure your traffic. We call it traffic metrics. What is the metrics? How are you getting traffic? How much of traffic are you getting? Okay. So these are some of the platforms that you can use to get traffic. Google Analytics. Google has a platform called Google Analytics where you can actually add your website, and it will be measuring the number of visitors that are coming to your site. It will measure the where they're coming from, their demography, give you a lot of insight on the kind of people that are coming. If it is organic traffic, if it's the referred traffic, you can get to have those information. We also have insights. We have Facebook insights. We have Instagram insights. Okay, Facebook insights. I think it's called Meta Business Suite now. In your Meta Business Suite, if you own a Facebook, then you can be able to see how many people liked your page, how many people landed on your page, how many people actually commented on your page, how many are they, how much of women or men actually liking your page or actually following you or actually commenting on your page. You understand? It will give you insight into the type of traffic you are getting. And then for WhatsApp, okay, this is a new trend. Status views. Status views is a way of measuring your traffic. Every day, you want to see how many people actually looked at my traffic, my status. Okay. In fact, people are becoming Instagrams, WhatsApp status influencers. Okay. And they are making money as a WhatsApp status influencers because if you are trying to promote a product and you're putting on your own status, and maybe just less than 100 people or maybe 200 people are the ones visiting your status and looking at it, versus someone who has up to 5,000, 6,000, 10,000 views on his status, on his WhatsApp status. Wouldn't you rather pay that person to promote your product on his status than you? Okay. So people actually try as much as to grow their contacts and ensure that there are more eyes, there are more views on their WhatsApp status. Okay. And then we have AW Stats. AW Stats is also a tool that is mostly available many, many, many websites. Okay. And this tool helps to track in depth on your traffic, how many traffic you are getting, where are they coming from, what are they typing, what link is referring them to you, how many organic traffic do you have, it will give you which countries are they coming from. So it's going to show you all that. We have web.start.com and we have bit.ly. Many of us use bit.ly. We just use it to shorten long website links, but you don't know that it's actually a very good tool to know how many people are actually visiting your site. So if you want to know how many people are visiting a particular web page, you can actually use bit.ly to track the number of people that are visiting your site. So let's go to the browser and see a bit of this metric tools. All right, just to look at a few examples, just to look at a few examples. This is AW Stats, okay? AW Stats, which is at the back end of the website, okay? And then if you click on it, this is the full details. It gives me a report that in the month of November, 829 unique visitors have actually visited this site. Unique visitors means it counts each human being as one. So if one human being visits the site and visits the site like 10 times, to only count that person as one. So which means 829 unique persons have actually visited this site in the month of November. Okay. And then it also breaks it down to days, particular days, how many number of visitors, how many pages they actually visited, and then the amount of resource or bandwidth that they used on your site. Okay. You can see days of the week, hours, within which hours, because it will also show you. Now look at this. It also tells you which country are they coming from. We have United States here, Indonesia, we have Nigeria coming third, we have Russia, we have Great Britain. You can see them. So these are information. Okay, it also tells you their IP address, where they are coming from. So if you decide, okay, I want to block some IP addresses, you don't want them, these are where you can get information of those IP addresses. It tells you, okay, Google bots. Bots are we'll talk about bots later when we talk about search engine. Okay, these are, so you can see this Google bot, this SEMrush bot, Apple bot. People went through, who go through Google Yandex bots. So they tell you Facebook, all right. So it tells you which pages that people are visiting. It's showing you pages that they are visiting. It's showing you the kind of operating system they are using. It's showing you the kind of browser they are using. Okay. So it's showing you key phrases. It's showing a lot of information. If you look here, there's a lot of information are being provided on with AW Start. All right, look at this other one. This is bit.ly. You can see these are links that have been shortened using bit.ly. So we didn't just shorten links and actually see the number of people. Okay. You can see this is an example. Okay, this is shortened link, and you can see the number of total clicks. It tells you total clicks of people that actually visited your site. All right. Referrals, that means we have direct. This one will tell you whether they are referred link or they are direct link. Okay, whether they actually click them from somewhere or they click them, they put it directly. You remember referral traffic and direct traffic. So it tells you about that. Okay, so this referral 100%. All right, so you can see it gives you can track. And if you have the pro version of bit.ly, it gives you more information. Okay, so just to mention a few. All right, like I told you, there's a Meta Business Suite for Facebook. There are a lot of metrics. All right, so let's proceed with our lecture. All right, so like I said, you need to measure your traffic. So this is an example of AW Start that I showed you, all right, telling you the monthly visits to your site. Okay, this is an example of Facebook, that is Meta Business Suite. This is how it shows you. It tells you how many page likes you have, how many post reach, how many page views. It gives you a lot more information. Okay, you can see organic and paid. Let me go back. If you want to know organic traffic and then paid traffic, organic traffic are those on Facebook, are those who on their own visit your site, but paid is what you use your money to pay Facebook. All right. So, and this is an example of Google Analytics. If you add your site to Google Analytics, it gives you this information. It gives you page views. How many pages was viewed on your site? It can show you the demographics of the people coming to your site and tell you how many new visitors, how many returning visitors are coming to your site, the behavior of people, their interest, the kind of audience that you're actually building. It's going to give you all those details once you add your site to Google Analytics. All right, so that is it. So it's very important that you measure your traffic. Very important that you measure your traffic. Very important that you measure your traffic. So how do you drive traffic? This is just a brief tips on how you can drive traffic and increase traffic to your site or to your program or product. You need to create a good content marketing strategy. A good content marketing strategy. That means you need to develop valuable information. Okay? Then creating extra value, quality freebies. For example, if you are using list building strategy, you must be able to give quality information. If your information is not quality, people can actually get out of your list by unsubscribing. But if what you give them is quality, they will keep following you, they will trust you, they will know you, and then they will always come back and buy from you. And then you can also drive traffic through social media and drive traffic through advertising, paying to get traffic. You can also get traffic through engaging with communities, forums online, where they are talking, when maybe there's a discussion board, there's a discussion website on your line of what business or on the line of product you are selling. You go there and give quality, when people ask questions in those forums and you are answering them intelligently, you are giving them valuable answers. They want to check who is this person. They want to check what's this person's website. and invariably you'll be getting indirect traffic to your site, your product, and whatever you are promoting. And then definitely we have word of mouth, word of mouth.